friends, today we are going to discuss how to find the dy by dx of these equations. Now the first one is 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. So since this is not a standard equation, find d by dx on both sides. Now apply d by dx on both sides. Now d by dx of 2x plus 3y equal to d by dx of sin x. So this is d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3y equal to d by dx of sin x is cos x. Okay. Now d by dx of 2x is 2 into d by dx of x plus d by dx of 3y is 3 into d by dx of y equal to cos x. Okay. Now d by dx of x is 1. So 2 plus 3 dy by dx equal to cos x. Now we want dy by dx. So this implies 3 dy by dx equal to cos x minus 2. Okay. Then dy by dx equal to 1/3 cos x minus 2. And this is your solution. Okay. Now let us move to the second question. If y equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Now substitute x equal to tan theta. Now y becomes tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is nothing but tan 3 theta. So tan inverse tan 3 theta. That implies 3 theta. Here when you substitute x equal to tan theta, then automatically theta becomes tan inverse x. Now substitute the value of theta here. It becomes 3 tan inverse x. Now y is 3 tan inverse x. So dy by dx is 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Since dy by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, and this is your solution. Now write here, since